Hello, Stephen at the Colonel Contracting. My name is Robert Reed, and I work with the Louisville Digital Marketing Agency right here in Louisville, Kentucky. Now, I was doing some research in the area, and I came across your website. So I figured you guys could use some help because I see your website is currently under construction. So I made this video to give to you, and I wanted to give you 3 tips on building your website and getting it up into action and start beating your competitors online, because what you can do is use this website to give you leads. And I was a contractor for many years, and I know how tired you are at the end of the day, and I know how hard you work, and I've seen some of your projects and they look beautiful. And so I didn't want to waste your time or waste my time either. So I thought I would go ahead and shoot this video and let you look at it. And if you have interest, you can call me back. So by the end of this video, like you said, if you've heard what you like, and you can tell I have a lot of strategies to help grow your business, and it's something that you're looking for, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Feel free to take the tips that I've given you and use them for yourself. There's 3 tips that I'm going to give you today. And one is content, citations, and backlinks. And of course, obviously, you need to build a strong website. So the first topic is content. And that's basically anything you can see on your front page, including the pictures, which have alt texts behind them and have also keywords built into it. So why is the content so important, you may ask? And the term content is king applies here. You want to make sure that you have enough content on your page to clearly let Google know what it is that you do and what kind of services that you offer. Also, you want to have enough content to make sure you're getting keywords and key phrases worked into the content, so that way it reads naturally. You want to be sure you're getting found for those keywords or key phrases that people may be searching for, because someone is looking for your service, but they may not know about your branding, which is your unique kernel. So that's the first tip I got for you. It's just making sure that you have a lot of keyword unique rich content on your home page, and you typically want to have about 1,500 words of content right on the front page. You do have quite a bit here, but I would recommend or suggest adding more. That way you can be found on more searches. Second tip I'm going to give you today is about citations. So you might want to be asking yourself, what is a citation? So by searching your keyword over here, and I'm not sure exactly what you're being searched for, but if you search under Louisville decks, so I'll just type this in here, because I see you've done a few decks, Louisville deck builders. You go down, and this is all ads section, is the very top part of it. And then you go down into, and this is the map section. And by building citations, you can rank in this area on the right there where the deck doctor is. So, in the problem with the ads above is that in 2021, a lot of people are using ad blockers, so that they're blocking this stuff at the top. And people are getting sick of looking at the ads, and they started installing app blockers. So they just might not see these ads. And so here's where I was talking about is the map section. And this is where most people will go here because they feel good about clicking on this area. And the only way you can get this is by building up citations. It's essentially your business name, address, and phone number. So just like you would see on Yellow Pages or Facebook or Yelp, or social profiles like Facebook. And all it does is just give you another avenue to reach more people, basically to beat out your competition. You just have to go out and get the same type of directory listings that your competition has. But you don't want to stop there. You want to truly beat out your competition online, and you want to make sure you get more directory listings than your competition. So at our agency, we have the tools that we can use to research your competition. We can find out what directories they're in, and then we can try to get you in the same ones as well. Now, the third thing I want to go over with you is backlinks and what a backlink is. It's essentially another website that is giving a link back to your website so people can find you. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. And so, for example, a Pizza Hut website, if it linked back to you, wouldn't help you because it wouldn't be relevant to what you do. And so you wanted something that's like a deck builder in another state. And so we would build backlinks to that. So making sure that you have relevant backlinks that are relevant to your industry and your services that you offer will help you dominate your competition in the search. I used Louisville deck builders to find who is on this site. And so I also have another a tool that I use, and it's called Ahrefs. And this is Ahrefs. And I've pulled up your website. And of course, right now, you're not ranking on anything. And so, this website is not completely 100% accurate, but it's real close. The only way you could get more accurate is going to Google Analytics and find it that way. So basically, you're not ranking at all. And I think you already knew that. So normally we would have referring domains. These are the backlinks right here, and these are referring domains. These are where they would register that other websites are linking into you. So if we looked at the competition, we would find that they would have several domains and several backlinks, and that's why they rank so high. And so we would actually look into which one of these links would benefit you the most and help capture those for you. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Same thing with citation goes for backlinks as well, as which means, if your customers are having more backlinks than you, then you need to go out and get the same type of backlinks. Of course, we do that for you. But you have to get more than them so you can beat them out. So thank you, Stephen. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. And I know it went on a little bit longer than I anticipated. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll put the phone number in the email. And if you're not interested in working with a marketing agency this time, that's fine. Just feel free to take these steps yourself and see how they work out. And if you could give me some feedback of how this video does and how you feel about it and the strategies, I would really appreciate it. So thank you for your time for watching the video, and you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.